What's going on, guys? It's your Wonder Boy back with a new video. So today I'm here for a haircut in this salon called Carrot Salon. So you must check out this place, address in the description box. So first we're gonna take care from this side, and this time I'm doing a low fade cause I have never tried out, and from the top we will see later.
All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So here you can see my top hair length. So I'm not able to tell you what exact length it is, but yeah, it is big. So what I decided is summer is on and short messy hair will rock, so let's do it. So from the top, my barber is cutting my hair from the front to the back, and from the front we will keep the length lifted till the eyebrow, and from the middle and the back we will cut down small length than the front, so that it will help to build the more volume in front. So check out the full result till the end.
Took my heart and you rolled off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby?
So giving the final touch to look the low fade perfectly and to match messy texture look.
Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So barber is blow drying my hair all the way from the back to the front because it will help to build the more volume in the front.
Go losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run.
After blow drying process, we will apply wax and give it the texture look, and in the final, for more hold, we will use hairspray to hold for a long time.
Under your spotlight.
So here it is, the messy texture haircut look. I hope you guys like this video, so give a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to check out this place, address and the contact number in the description box. So that's it, bye bye, take care, see you guys in the next video.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.